actually had no idea about that.
Yeah,
Like that
Good
they
idea.
existed.
they're there.
Do you guys remember, Sammy, probably not you,
Oh, boy.
but when you would get a bill or your parents would get a bill for long distance
Yeah,
calls
and every
it'd
detailed
be
item, how
line
long it
items,
was.
how
Yeah, oh, yeah.
long. And you know, my problem was I lived in Massachusetts, but I went to high school in New Hampshire. So all my calls were long
Had to be long
distance.
distance.
Couldn't you like call after 9 though or something, and then it was?
That did
it
happen
didn't
eventually.
cost
Oh, yeah.
Something?
Yes.
I do remember that.
That did
I know I'm a
happen
bit
eventually.
younger than you guys. But
Yeah, that's why I tried to leave you out of that fray. But this just like it came back to
children don't know what it
come
was like.
flooding back to me because it'd be like 53 cents, $1.20, but like at the
You saw
end,
every call.
your parent would kind of roll it out and be like, "What is all of this?"
Yeah, now that we have all these unlimited plans, we don't even think about it.
We don't call anyone now that we have
Right.
unlimited
Yeah,
plans.
true, good point.
That's the funny thing about it. I got. You remember when you used to have rollover minutes? Like,
Yeah.
I was like, I
Save
have
them for one
millions
month.
of minutes left over.
Not using
I ain't
it.
calling anybody. Let's have a look outside. Temperatures in the 70s for the most part. Beautiful day today. Dew points were a little bit higher than yesterday, but not enough that it was a detriment to the day. Went from really, really crisp to just merely refreshing. It's 75 in Bangor, 76 in Freedom, 76 in Waterville too. Jackman doesn't have the reading right now, but it's probably about 70 or so. Visible satellite looks good. We have some cumulus cloud cover, a couple of cirrus clouds that are just moving across York and Cumberland County. But generally quiet today, quiet tonight too, with temperatures dropping down into the 50s. It'll still be comfortable sleeping weather, but it won't be quite as cool as it was last evening when we had widespread 40s and even, actually I don't know if we get any 30s officially at any of the ASOS stations, but we were definitely right around 40 in a place like Berlin and Rangeley. Tomorrow we're a transition, so it's not going to be sticky yet, but it's not as crisp as today. Temperatures in the upper 70s to around 80. Really nice day though. In a lot of weeks it would be your best day of the week, but we just have so many to pick from here. Humidity starts to become noticeable Wednesday night into Thursday morning, and by Thursday you notice it a lot. Dew points are up, temperatures are up. Upper 80s, some low 90s. Even along the coastline, we'll probably get to the upper 80s and then sea breeze back down in the afternoon. Hotter still though on Friday. Dew points are really high. We're quickly into the upper 80s and low 90s, even some mid 90s potentially on Friday. This model doesn't go out any farther than this, but if it's 85 at 8 a.m., it's going to be pretty hot, right? So I think Friday along the coast is very, very hot. Dew points, again, right now, pretty neutral through tomorrow, and then they start ramping up tomorrow night. And then by Thursday, the dew points are in the upper 60s and low 70s, where most people do not typically enjoy them, and we stay there on Friday too. Friday's hot and humid, particularly along the coastline. It looks warmer there than it does inland, and then showers and thunderstorms develop in the afternoon. Potentially some of those storms will be strong to severe. That front sinks south in time for the weekend. The weekend looks good. It does look a few degrees cooler in a few spots when compared to what it looked like yesterday, but it's still nice. It's just a matter of, is it 85 or 83? If these are the problems that we have, they are good problems to have. Upper 70s to around 80 on Sunday. High thin cloudiness, I think, is the culprit there for being just a bit cooler than our original forecast. But still nice, maybe some storms into Tuesday, but that's it. Really nice stretch, and it's just going to be a matter of pure preference, which of these days you like the most.
Yeah, it's nice to get the beach weather back for the weekend too.
Yes.
It'll be very busy.
It'll be hot enough. And Friday, if you can do it before the thunderstorms, is really might
Okay.
make you want to go in the water. Yeah.
Day. All
Keith,
right.
thanks.